Creating a Substack publication is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up for a Substack account. Visit Substack and click on Get Started to create an account. You will need to provide an email address and password or log in with an existing account. Create a new publication. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Start a Publication. Set up your publication. Enter a name for your publication. This could be the name of your newsletter, blog, or other content you plan to share. Choose a custom domain if desired, or Substack will generate a unique URL. Write your first post. After setting up your publication details, you'll be directed to a dashboard where you can start writing your first post. Use a simple, user-friendly editor to create articles, embed media, and format content. Customize your publication. Add the description for your publication to give readers an overview of the type of content they can expect. You can also configure subscription settings, pricing models, and how readers can interact with your content. Publish your first post. Once you've written your first post and customized your publication settings, click Publish to make it live on your Substack publication. Share and grow. Share your publication link with your audience via social media, email, or other marketing channels to build an audience.